Welcome to another episode of Awesome Life with Awesome Vibe, where we explore the depths of personal growth, spirituality, and holistic well being. I'm your host, Aatmn Parmar, and today we're diving into a powerful topic: letting go to let flow. This episode is all about understanding the importance of releasing what no longer serves us so we can truly move forward in life. Let's get started. When we talk about letting go, what do we really mean? At its core, letting go is about releasing attachments to the past experiences, emotions, and desires that are holding us back. It's about freeing us from the burdens that prevent us from moving forward and flowing with life. Letting go is not just a metaphorical concept, it is a practical approach to achieving inner peace and progress. So, what are the things that we need to let go of? These can include past memories, grudges, hatred, the need for revenge, or even the need to prove something to someone or ourselves. Think about it. How many times have you found yourself stuck because you were holding on to a painful memory or a desire to get even with someone? These negative emotions and intentions can act like heavy chains, keeping us anchored in a place. Holding on to these emotions is exhausting. Imagine trying to run a race while carrying a heavy backpack filled with rocks. You might move forward, but your progress will be slow and painful. Similarly, when we cling on to negative experiences and emotions, we are weighed down and unable to move forward with ease and grace. It's crucial to recognize that these burdens are not helping us anymore. In fact, they are hindering our growth and happiness. Letting go is a process, and it often requires conscious effort and practice. Here are some steps to help you on this journey. Acknowledge your feelings. It's important to recognize and accept the emotions you are experiencing. Don't suppress them. Instead, allow yourself to recognize and acknowledge them. Understand the source. Reflect on why you're holding on to these emotions. Is it due to a past hurt, a fear, or a need to control? Forgive and release. Forgiveness is a powerful tool in letting go. Forgive yourself and others for past actions. Release the need for revenge or proving something. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness techniques such as meditation and deep breathing can help you stay present and reduce the power of past experiences over you. Affirm your desire to let go and set positive intentions for moving forward. Remind yourself that you are choosing to release these burdens. Seek support. Sometimes talking to a trusted friend, therapist, or a spiritual advisor or a mentor can provide the support you need to let go. And finally, use radical statements. Reciting, reprogramming, and deprogramming radical statements will eventually help you recognize the true futility of holding on to things which are no longer needed. Now, let's talk about the benefits of letting go. When we release our attachments to negative experiences and emotions, we open ourselves up to new possibilities. We create space for positive energy and experiences to enter our lives. Letting go allows us to flow with life rather than resist it. We become more adaptable, resilient, and at peace with ourselves in the world around us. Look back into your life. How have you benefited when you managed to let go of few things? Learn from others who have managed to let go. Be inspired by them. What you could do to let go. Here are some practical tips, and I will give you some of the radical statements at the end of this episode. Begin with journaling. Write your feelings and emotions. Enter them regularly. That will help you let go and let flow. You might want to write on a piece of paper and tear off that paper or flush them out. Meditation. Spend some time each day meditating on the intention to let go. Visualize yourself releasing the burdens and embracing the freedom. Gratitude practice. Focus on positive aspects of your life. Cultivating gratitude can shift your mindset and reduce the power of negative emotions. Affirmations. Use positive affirmations to reinforce your intentions to let go. Repeat phrases like, I'm free from the past. I embrace the flow of life. Choose your own positive affirmations. It could be, I peacefully progress by letting go and letting flow. Physical activities. Engage in physical activities like yoga, walking, dancing, or doing your regular workouts. Having said that, let's do some regular radical statements. We'll begin with deprogramming statements followed by reprogramming statements. I'm going to use some catalyst keywords which will help us in deprogramming as well as reprogramming. To know more on how to design these statements and how to personalize them, join some of our courses. I purify all that I'm holding on to. I purify all that I'm holding on to. I purify all that I'm holding on to. I purify my need to hold on to. I purify my need to hold on to. I purify my need to hold on to. I purify my attachment. I purify my attachment. I purify my attachment. I purify my stuck feeling. I purify my stuck feeling. I purify my stuck feeling. I purify my need to let go and let flow. I purify my need to let go and let flow. I purify my need to let go and let flow. I awaken liberation. I awaken liberation. I awaken liberation. I synchronize with liberation. I synchronize with liberation. I synchronize with liberation. Keep reciting. Stay tuned and share these episodes with your friends and relatives who might need them. Enjoy an awesome life with awesome vibes.